YouTube, what's going on? Mike here, back with another one. So just wanted to show you guys a quick video of me riding down south in the rain on the highway. And for those of you guys who haven't done it yet or feel like you're nervous, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Well guys, looks like I couldn't avoid the rain, so I'm like, let me just turn on the camera and just like riding on the rain in the highway is not fun at all. I've done it plenty of times. That's why I wore sleeves too, because that rain on your arms will sting you. But yeah, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some, right? But it looks like it's pretty bad. I just hope it's not really bad, and I hope it's not really long. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna cut out if it gets any worse. If I feel like it's about to get worse now. Oh man. Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind the. That's not the word I want to use, but you know. I'm gonna get through it. Nobody likes to drive in rain, just to drive into it, you know? Like, you just know, like, here we go, prepare for it. It didn't just come out of nowhere, you know? Let's just hope it don't last long, man. Oh man. It's getting bad. It's getting really bad. I just hope people around me drive okay. The bike is fine. The bike will handle it. You know? I'll handle it. I just don't like when people drive in the rain. And I'm gonna be officially soaked. Let's just hope it doesn't last long, and I will dry up being on the highway pretty fast, so which is one good thing. But you're in South Florida, this is what you run into. I just hope the people behind me drive good. But looks like I'm driving out of it. Man, let me close my top vent. I think I feel water on my head. That's not good. And it is a hot day today. Well, here's a lesson in driving in the rain on the highway, which I've done so many times, is, you know, just ride normal. Don't go too fast. Pace yourself. I always stay in, you know, I don't stay directly behind the car. I stay in the rear view, which is, you know, what you do in the street anyway. So just, you know, translate it over. That's all. Other than that, you know, just don't be afraid. Just ride. Trust your bike and your bike's traction. And that's all you can do. I think I'm riding out of it. Please, I am soaked to the bone right now. Oh, man. Well, appreciate you guys riding with me in the thickness of the rain. It looks like I'm riding out of it. So I'd say that's a good enough time to get dry by the time I get to my destination. Let's just hope so. I mean, it's still raining, granted. All right. People behind me are good. All right. My gloves are starting to feel soaked now. All right, looks like we're officially out of it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, that's literally how it happens. And depending how it is depending how bad it is, you know? I just hope that's it. That looks like it's it. Oh man, faster I go, the drier I will get. I'm soaked. I'm really soaked. Oh man. Well, yeah, guys, you know, it's not all bad. So, you know, it is what it is. Well, I know now that my Ruroc, I don't know, I've been in heavy rain in my Ruroc. I've never had water come inside like this HJC helmet, you know. And the Ruroc doesn't have open vents you can open at the top of the helmet. So, granted, that's probably my fault, you know. And I'll take that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, get dry. My gloves are soaked. Alright. Oh man, it looks dark again. Please let that be all the rain. Please. I just want to get dry now. Like, that's all I want, just to get dry. And it seems like my shirt is already feeling like it's not heavy, you know. So but I have my, like, again, my Fly Racing backpack. So, but anyway, guys, I don't want to make the video too long. Hopefully this it's not raining around where we're at, so my wife can get on, because if it's raining, you know, we're not gonna be riding. And also one thing, I've already heightened my suspension, so that's a whole nother conversation I'm gonna talk about. But man, look at my bike, wet. I made sure to pack towels this time to wipe it off, because you know, this just is what it is. But alright guys, I'll catch you later.